Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 8, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is How the Trader Became Ruler. What was the name of the chapter? How the Trader Become Rulers. The children were engrossed in reading the story of two cats and a monkey during the recess. Dear children, what they have to given that? They have to given that children were engrossed. What was the meaning of engrossed? Engrossed, it means tallin, magna, or you can say in English glad in reading the story of two cats and monkey during the time of the recess. On reading this story, Joy and Mitali were making fun of each other. Now, what happened then? On reading this story, Joy and Mitali were making fun of each other, and their class teacher, who was sitting beside them, said, "Children, these two is a policy. The third party take advantage of quarrel between the two." What the teacher give the reply to the Mitali and Joy and other student? The teacher said the student that, "Children, these two is a policy. The third party take the advantage of quarrel. Quarrel, it means jagda between the two. The British had expanded their empire in India with such a policy." What the teacher give a knowledge to the student? The teacher give knowledge to the student that this is the one kind of the policy of the Britisher. They was adopted in India, and that's why in India the Britisher expand their empire in India. Jai asked, "Sir, how is that possible?" Now what happened there here? Jai asked the question to a teacher that, "Sir, how is that possible?" The class teacher replied, "Let's us go to class, and there I will explain about how the British came to India and established their rule over the Indians." After what the teacher has given the reply to Joy, teacher give reply that the class teacher reply given that, "Now I will explain about the Britisher policy, that how the Britisher came to India and how they are establishing the rule over the Indians." By the mid of 18th century, the Britisher had started to emerge as a strong power on the Indian political horizon. Dear children, what happened then? Due to in the 18th century, the British had started as a emerge as a strong power in Indian political horizon. Do you know that the British came to India only for trade? Dear children, this is the most important thing. That do you know that the British came to India only for the trade? Initially, they took the permission to trade in Indian states, and then how did they become the ruler of the entire India? Now, dear children, this is the most important thing. The Britisher came to India only for the trade purpose, but how did they become the ruler of the entire India? The history of the British rule arose the many such question. It means this history arose the many such question about the British rule. To serve their economic interest, they increased their political hold on India. Now what happened there? To serve their economic interest, increasing their political hold on India with the use of British diplomatic tactics. Now what happened? Why these things are to be happen in India? Due to the British diplomatic tactics. What was the meaning of diplomatic tactics? Diplomatic, it means the राजनयिक कूटनीतिक, and techniques is means युद्ध नीति, कार्य नीति, युक्ति. It means Britisher accept the diplomatic technique, and that's why what happened there? The Britisher came for the trader, but after they become the ruler of the entire India. Now first of all they have to given about the Wellesley policy of the expansion. When Wellesley came to India as a governor general, cutthroat competition exists between England and France. Dear children, what happened there? When the Wellesley came to India as a governor general, that time the cutthroat competition exists between these two nations. With two nations, England and France, and both are the European nation. And it was necessary to check France from becoming powerful in India so as to expand the British rule in India. And it is necessary that they have to left the France from India and become the powerful ruler in India. This is the one kind of the policy of the Britisher, and that's why the British rule in India Wellesley introduced a new plan which is known as a subsidiary alliance, and that's why Wellesley tried to expand the British rule in India. That's why he was started one new plan, and it is known as a subsidiary alliance. Then, dear children, here one question is also asked that who would started the subsidiary alliance policy in India? Then Governor General Lord Wellesley started a subsidiary alliance policy in India. As per this subsidiary alliance policy or scheme, that any princely state that accept the alliance had to keep and maintain the British army as well as keep the British representative in a royal court. Now, as per this scheme, as per this policy, what was the terms and condition of subsidiary alliance policy? The terms and condition of subsidiary policy is that the princely state accept the subsidiary alliance policy had to keep and maintain the British army as well as they have to keep a British representative in their royal court. Same way, in this way, the British could maintain their army without spending any money. And that's why, what was the main benefit of the Britisher? Here, the Britisher could maintain their army into the any princely state and without spending any money. Why? Because here the whatever the princely state accept this policy, they have to take the whole entire expenses of the British army. That's why here Britisher army without spending any money. However, the princely state were not allowed to utilize the army at their own will. And what was the next condition? That here you cannot use the British army without taking the permission of that. And that's why the system which made many feel secure in the beginning. And that's why what happened, that many princely state think that we all are secure at the beginning level, made them feel enslaved and threatened. After what happened, that after passing of the time, now the princely state feel that it is a one kind of the enslaved. What was the meaning of the enslaved? Enslaved, it means gulam banana. Threaten it means dhamki dena, dhamkana, sacrifice karna. And that's why the subsidiary alliance act like a slow poison for the princely state of India. And that's why now, dear children, what happened there? This subsidiary alliance policy act like a one kind of the slow poison. It means mitha jahar for the princely state of the India. For the princely state of India, it means this policy from the initial state they feel the secure for the beginning state, but after the passing of the time, now princely state feel that this policy is a one kind of the enslave and threaten. It means this policy is like one kind of the slow poison. And that's why the Indian state that become the victim of the subsidiary alliance were Hyderabad, Mysore, Ayodhya, Jodhpur, Gaikwad of Vadodara, Peshwa of Pune, Scindias of Gwalior. These all are the name of the state who all are the victim of the subsidiary alliance policy. Nizam of Hyderabad was the first victim of Wellesley's subsidiary alliance. Now, who was become the first victim of this subsidiary alliance policy? The Nizam of the Hyderabad was the first victim of the Wellesley's subsidiary alliance policy. Then it was Mysore and Ayodhya. After the Hyderabad, the Mysore and Ayodhya, the victim of the subsidiary alliance policy. Tanjore and Karnataka met with the same fate. Fate, it means Kismat, Bhagya. The British made the Maratha fight among themselves and consequently made them accept the subsidiary alliance. Here what happened, that dear children, here the Maratha fight among themselves, and this benefit was taken by the Britisher, and consequently maximum princely state accept the subsidiary alliance policy. Owing to the losses incurred by the Nizam in his fight with Maratha, he was the first to accept this alliance. Here what happened then? Owing to loss incurred by Nizam, his fight with the Maratha, he accept the policy of the alliance. Tipu Sultan of Mysore refused to do so. Tipu Sultan is also refused this thing. But after the British victory in the fourth Anglo-Mysore War, dear children, this is the most important thing. What happened then? Here the British victory in the fourth Anglo-Mysore War, the Mysore was forced to become the subsidiary state. And now what happened that here the British are victory in the fourth Anglo-Mysore War. That's why the Mysore was also forced to become the accept the subsidiary alliance policy. And Maratha chief fought among themselves after the death of the Nana Fadnavis. One by one, all the Maratha state become the victim of the divide and rule policy of the British. And that's why what happened there? After one by one, all the Maratha state become the victim of which policy? Divide and rule policy of the British. The other state, namely Ayodhya, Gorakhpur, Tanjore, Karnataka, Farughabad, also suffered the same fate. In this way, within the span of the 7 years, it means within the span of how many years? From the 7 years, Wellesley expand the company rule and made the British the supreme power in India. It means what happened that year? Children, here the Wellesley expand the company rule and made the British the superpower in India. And which policy was started by the Wellesley? Wellesley started the subsidiary alliance policy. It means within the 7 years now the British was the supreme power in India.